That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Awesome bit of kit here. We got a billet primary, a billet inspection cover, billet derby cover, vented. Okay, this particular one's for an Evo or up to 06 twin cam, your proper 5-speed bikes. If you're interested in any awesome stuff, give us a call. But as you can see, this particular item, this is billet, proper CNC stuff. Okay, now this replaces the original cover, which obviously if you got a belt drive, your primer is going to get red hot, okay, under this cover. This allows air in here, here and out here. That means your belt drive will remain cool, your clutch and everything. Again, the great thing about a belt drive, we do BDL, we do Primo, which I personally love the Primo stuff, but BDL is just as good. A lot quieter the Primo. You know, you haven't got the ball bearings and all the rattly clutch. But if you want an amazing setup and you want to know about FXR's bag of performance, give us a call. Now, you can see here the kind of gear we do. We've got all the Yankee oils. We've got your Spectro, your drag specialties, your S&S oil, very rare, very hard to get. Memphis Shades, we've got Arlen Ness. You know, we got all your ceramic oils. This is the latest technology, micro ceramic. Okay, micro ceramic basically is what they call nanotechnology. So nano size, which is a millionth of an inch, I believe. Okay, or it could be a millionth of a millimeter actually in this day and age. This will basically protect everything because it will get in between your metal surfaces, and the ceramic will be between it as opposed to metal to metal. See here, you've got Japanese, you've got Harley, you got clothing. Now this is a weekday, so as you can see, you can't see a lot because of all the packing stuff. Nitrous kits, ladies gun vests. Okay, these are concealed gun vests, which we buy in the States, or did. Okay, now it's too expensive to bring them in, but we have still got a couple. We've got the clip bags, quick release bags. We've got storehouse t-shirts, masses of stuff like that. As you can see, billet wheels. I've got to admit, we have more billet wheels than anyone. Okay, so all these people that say we are the largest stocker kit in England, bullshit. No one has got this sort of quality in the stuff we've got. We have been doing this 40 years, so we should know what we're doing. We're not too bad, okay? Bag of performance, FXRs, big ball motors, Baker 6 speeds, you know, all this kind of gear is my forte. Then you can stop as well. Here's your brakes, okay? There's your S&S motors, your Roth pistons, your Weissicos. You know, we have got some proper stuff. Big bore starters, we've got some 2 kilowatt ones here. That will turn anything over. Okay, vacuum brake kits. As you can see here, these are just some of the brake leaves adjustable Harley ones. We've got Japanese. Just masses and masses. Oil coolers, digital speedos. Okay. If you want a one-stop shop, this is. No one else will have carbon helmets, for instance, American proper carbon helmets, stretch tanks. We've got about 40-50 wheels in stock, billet. You can see here, this is your, if you want to go touring like I love, here's your big bags, your sissy bar bags, your seat bags. Okay, masses of leather stuff. Simpson, top of the range helmets. We don't really do crap quality, I hate it. Possibly why we don't make the money some of these people selling garbage do. But you can see the Biltwell lane splitters. You can see more Simpsons up there. Just masses and masses of really cool top of the range gear. Got some Mercedes wheels. Anyone want some cheap ones? Okay, all powder coated. You can see here some of our luggage, and this is just some of the luggage that we do. Fenders, big bloody great fenders, Harley top box, LAF pipes, Simpson helmets, Valkyrie parts, fork clamps. You know, you really can't get much more stuff than this. And upstairs we have got masses, I'm not kidding you. These are your work lights, Draper, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth speaker built in, so that means you can work on your bike and get music without having a stereo. Okay. Masses of clothing. You know, we do Storehouse, Simpson, seats, Mustang, Corbin, Granucci, pretty cool seats as well. So this is a weekday, so all this stuff's in the way. Saturdays, all this stuff's gone, so you can actually get right around the shop. So we've got all the different risers. We've got 1.5s, 1.25s. We've got pullback straights, riser blocks for R12Cs. you know, just unbelievable top quality gear. 1.5 inch bars, as you can see, Pia, very expensive Goldwing lights that go under the fairing. Masses of lights here. Here's all your brake pedals, all your stuff like that. And again here, we are a major Kiriakin dealer. So you can see here, we've got Kiriakin stuff going on. We've got speakers, we've got masses of footrests, iron horse frames. You want to build a chopper from scratch if you're that kind of guy and want something really cool. Triumph gear, just you name it, we do it. And if we don't do it, I'm bloody sure we can get it, or we know a man who can. Okay, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.